I started this project with three of these square blocks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I painted them offline with this metallic shimmery silver paint from Deco Arts. I believe that I picked this up from Joann Fabrics or Michael, but you could get it from any craft store. Then to make sure that my blocks shined, I added a couple of coats of gloss Mod Podge on top of them. The blocks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, I'm also going to add these mirrors to them. And the mirrors measured out at 2 inches all the way around, and the blocks were 2 1/4 all the way around. So they'll be a perfect fit for what I'd like to do to them. And the last product that I'm going to use along with this, also purchased from Amazon, are these mirror tiles that come in strips. And they come in strips and rolls of probably about 8 or 9. And this is the remainder of what I have from, I've used this on multiple projects. The easiest way for me to cut these apart are just to fold them over on each other or before taking the back off and then cut in between the slits of the mirrors. These are really cute. They're like disco ball mirror sizes. Now, I made multiple strips using two rows for each of my strips and just cut out a lot of them. And the reason that I wanted it to be 2 rows on some of them is because when you get to the corner, the 2 rows just helps you fold it over the edge of the block easier and making sure that you have it well balanced around. So you want to make sure that all of the four corners of a block's face is covered, and you also want to make sure that there is no overlap on your mirrors. And so one of the things that I discovered is that the mirrors are not all the same from the manufacturer. Some of them are larger than the others. So I would remove a big piece and replace it with one of the smaller pieces so that I had no overlap. And then repeated that running a single line along the bottom, because of course there's no need to put mirrors on the bottom of your block because it'll be sitting on the table and your mirrors will get scratched up. So just make sure that you have the entire square face, the portions that you'll see, covered up with mirror on all sides. Now, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you are here today, it's because you saw something that caught your attention. But we do lots of things on this channel, and we have fun crafting with Sunday Craft with Me live. So I'd love to have you join us on Sunday at 1 p.m. Next, we're going to add our 2-inch mirrors to our blocks, and just taking a mixture of hot glue for an immediate hold and E6000 for a permanent long-term hold. We're going to use a combination of both of those glues and glue our mirrors into the center of each of the lines of square or the lines of small square mirrors that we use. Now, this glue is hot coming through there, so be careful. Always craft with caution. Always craft with caution. We'll repeat this step for all 4 or all 5 of the sides of the mirrors, and make sure that each mirror face is covered and cleaning up our glue webs. Now, I did this for all 3 of my blocks so that I could make sure that this project has a beautiful effect with three, you decorate in threes, right? That's what they say. You decorate in threes. So making sure that everything was centered and properly aligned. This is what our project looks like so far. And I think this is pretty by itself. You could just sit it on your table with a few of these and a little table center or tray, but we're going to make them candle holders. That's what I promised you we do. So I'm again taking some E6000 and these little diamond shaped candle, tea light candle holders that I picked up from the Dollar Tree probably 2 years ago. I don't even know if they sell them anymore, but I'm crafting my stash and making sure that we can use the items that we have, trying to do this before I buy anything else. If you guys are like me, you have tons of stuff around that you can craft any project almost at any time. So just centering this diamond tea light holder in the middle of the project and allowing it time to dry, and it is just beautiful. Again, repeated these exact same steps for all of the blocks. Aren't they beautiful? Now you can see I did something a little different on the third block because I only had 2 of the tea light holders. So on this third block, I had some leftover table scatters with a a tea light, a light itself that turned colors, and I just stacked up the table scatters around that light, glued them on with hot glue, and then, of course, glued it onto my mirror so that I could twist it to turn it on and off. And they all turned out so pretty, you guys. These are so beautiful, so easy to make. And other than the items I picked up from Amazon, everything came from Dollar Tree. So I love that you are here, and I hope you come back.